Welcome students. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 Subject Environmental Studies. Chapter number 3 Animal Shelters Part 3. Today we will solve the exercise on this chapter. First question number A. What's the solution? First, the population of birds in several cities is falling. What could be the reason for that? Their number should increase again. First we will see the reasons. Birds build their nest on trees. In cities, trees cut or their branches are chopped, so birds cannot build their nests in cities. Second, it is difficult to birds to build their nests in cities because of architecture of houses and buildings. Because most of the birds lives in gaps of walls, but because of the architecture they cannot build their nest in gaps. Third, because of noise and air pollution, birds feel uncomfortable in cities. Number 4, because of hunting and habitat loss, population of birds in several cities is falling down. Now what is the solution for increase their number again? First, by planting more trees, we welcome back birds in cities. And second, we also provide food, shelter and water to birds for increase in their number. Question number B. Think and tell. First, what material do ants use to make ant hills? Answer is soil. Soil is used by ants to make their ant hill. Number 2. Some doves and some pigeons have left the jungles and have come to live in areas where people live. Some mice have also done so. What could be the reason for that? Answer. Some dove and pigeons take shelter in gaps in the walls. Mice is also dug and burrow shelter near areas where people live because they get enough food near people's living area. So the doves and pigeons have left the jungles and have to come to live in areas where people live, and also some mice have also done so. Question number B. Think and tell. Number 3 is, in the picture below, match the animals and their shelters. First is tiger. The shelter is cave. Second is hen. Shelter is coop. Third is bird. Shelter is nest. Fourth is rat. Shelter is hole. Question number C. Fill in the blanks. First, the nest of birds are not all ... Answer is, the nest of birds are not all alike. Answer is alike. Number 2, the ... bird is smaller than the sparrow. Answer is, the tailor bird is smaller than the sparrow. Answer is tailor. Number 3, some animals do not make any ... to build shelters for themselves. The answer is, some animals do not make any efforts to build shelters for themselves. Answer is efforts. Number 4, tigers, leopards and ... live in caves in mountains. Answer is, tigers, leopard and hyenas live in caves in mountains. Answer is hyenas. Number 5, the shelters made for a horse is called a ... Answer is, the shelter made for a horse is called a stable. Answer is stable. Question number D. Answer in one sentence. First, what does the tailor bird use to stitch its nest? Answer is, the tailor bird stitches the big leaves of plants together with the fine tendril of plants. Answer is tendril. Number 2, what makes it difficult for animals that eat eggs to reach a weaver bird's nest? Answer is, weaver birds chooses a thorny tree which has branches hanging over the water. The nest built by it is on the height, so it is difficult for animals that eggs to reach the weaver bird's nest. Number 3. How do birds make their nest soft and warm? Birds uses things like grass, cotton, wool and pieces of threads to make the nest soft and warm. Number 4. Why do mice and rats not enter houses built with cement? Answer. Rat and mice cannot dig holes into cement, so they do not enter houses built with cement. Number 5. Where do bats find shelter besides dark caverns? Answer. Bats that stay in dark caverns also take shelter in old deserted tumble-down buildings. Now there are some extra questions for practice. First, question number 1. Give one example of the following animals. First, the birds that builds the nest by stitching the leaves together. That is tailor bird. Tailor bird is stitching leaves together and made its nest. Number 2. Who built the nest on thorny with tree branches hanging over the water? That is weaver bird. Number 3. Who lives in high cliffs? Answer is dove. Dove living in high cliffs. Number 4. The animal who lives in stable, that is horse. Horse lives in stable. Question number 2. Answer in one sentence. First, what is shelter? Answer. A safe place where one is protected from wind, sun, rain or any danger is called a shelter. Number 2. Why do birds make nests? Answer. Bird needs safe place to lay the eggs. They incubate the eggs and also want to protect the young ones that hatch out of the eggs. So birds make nests. Number 3. Why do we stay in the house? Answer. Things like very cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, heavy rain, etc. causes us discomfort. We also need protection from theft, so we stay in the house. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. First, the nests of birds are not all alike. Answer is alike. Second, the tailor bird is smaller than the sparrow. The tailor bird is smaller than the sparrow. Number 3. Some animals do not make any efforts to build shelters for themselves. Answer is efforts. Number 4. Tiger, leopard and hyenas live in caves in mountains. That is hyenas. Number 5. The shelters made for a horse is called a stable. Number 6. The house protected us from thefts. Number 7. Some animals simply look out for a safe place for shelter. Answer is safe. Number 8. Pigeons find shelters in the gaps of walls. Answer is gaps. Number 9. The shelter built for hens is called chicken coop. Answer is hens. Number 10. A cow shed is built for cows. Answer is cow shed. Number 11. Let the animals live in their natural surrounding. Answer is natural. Question number 4. Answer in one or two words. First, what are birds afraid of? Answer. Birds afraid of animals eat eggs. Number 2. Which tree is selected by the weaver bird to build the nest? Answer is thorny tree is selected by weaver bird to build the nest. Number 3. Whose shelter is honeycomb? Answer is honeybee. Honeybee's shelter is honeycomb. Number 4. Who build ant hill? Answer is ants. Ants builds ant hills. Question number 6. Answer the following questions. First, why do we stay in the house? Because we want to protect ourselves from cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, heavy rains, wild animals and thefts. So we stay in a house. Number 2. What do you mean by shelter? Answer is shelter is a safe place where we protected ourselves from any danger. Number 3. Why do birds build nest? Answer: because for the safety of their eggs and their young ones, birds build nests. Number 4. What are the things used by birds to build a nest? Answer: birds use things like grass, straw and twigs, also use cotton, wool, pieces of thread and strings to build a nest. Number 5. What does the tailor bird use to stitch its nest? Answer: tailor bird use fine tendrils to stitch its nest. Number 6. Why do mice and rats do not enter houses built with cement? Answer: because they cannot dig holes into cement construction, so they cannot enter houses built with cement. Number 7. Where do bats find shelter beside dark caverns? Answer: beside dark caverns, bats find shelters in tall trees and old deserted tumble-down buildings. Number 8. Write the 3 names of the shelters of domestic animals. Who make these shelters? Answer: cowshed, coop, stable. These shelters of domestic animals are made by peoples like carpenter. Question number 2. Underline the wrong words. First, gusty, heavy rains can cause us great discomfort. Wrong word is gusty. Second, animals build nest shelters for themselves. Wrong word is nest. Animal build shelter for themselves. Number 3, weaver bird sparrow built its nest on the highest of the branches. Answer is weaver bird. So wrong is sparrow. Number 4, honeybee builds honeycomb burrows. Honeybee builds honeycomb. Wrong is burrows. So we underline burrows. Number 5, some bats, doves live in the dark caverns in mountains. Some bats are live in dark caverns of mountains. So wrong word is doves. Number 6, cobra ant built ant hills. Ant builds ant hills. So cobra is a wrong word. Number 7, cows, tigers live in caves. Tigers live in caves. So cows is wrong. Number 8, rats cannot dig holes into mud cement constructions. Rat cannot dig holes into cement constructions. They are dig holes into mud. So cement is wrong word. Number 9, some animals look for ready shelters, houses in their surroundings. They are look for ready shelters for their surrounding. Houses is wrong word. Number 10, we provide shelter for our domestic wild animals. We provide shelter for our domestic animals. Wild is wrong word. Question number 3, find the odd one out. First, cold, sun, rains, food. Answer is food. Food is odd one out. Second, needles, grass, sticks, cotton. Answer is needles. Number 3, honeybee, tailor bird, sparrow, weaver bird. Answer is honeybee. Number 4, tiger, leopard, hyenas, rabbit. Answer is rabbit. Number 5, coop, anthill, stable, cowshed. Answer is anthill. Question number 4, match the columns. Column A, tailor bird, weaver bird, dove and buffalo. Column B, nest on the thorny tree with branches hanging over the water. Shelter in the gaps in the walls. Live in cowshed. Nest built by stitching the leaves together. Tailor bird. Answer is nest built by stitching the leaves together. Weaver bird, the nest on the thorny tree with branches hanging over the water. Dove, shelter in gaps in the walls. Buffalo, live in cowshed. Okay, there is one assignment for students. You must have visited the zoo in your city. Some animals are kept in cages there. What if they start talking? Imagine and write down what will they talk to you. Thank you.